Disclaimer. I am not responsible if you break your car. I am not responsible for your health. If you hurt yourself or break your car, it is only your responsibility. This is not educational video and should not be used as tutorial. I do only show how I am doing my repair. I will not show you basics of screwing bolts, I will just show you results after each operation or part removal.
Here we go again. Hello boys and girls. December is quite stormy in my area, and tonight, unfortunately, my rubbish bin flown directly into my side mirror, what made me a nice Christmassy gift for this year. Let's try to fix it. So, in order to do it, we will need a T20 torque and just a screwdriver. Use some plastic tool to avoid damage your mirror and plastic body. In my case, I found something from iPhone Fix Tools in my toolbox, but you can use any. Here I am pushing the plastic leather clip to release the mirror. You will see the screenshots from the workshop manual as usual later in this video. Once the clip is released, I'm gently moving the mirror away from the working area. Here I'm showing you two screws we will have to undo. Once we've done both screws, gently release plastic lamp from the mirror. It holds by some sticky tape. Now it's time to move the bulb from the old one to the new one, due to the new one came with the white light and I need an amber. Twist it counterclockwise for 90 degrees and pull it away. It is better to use two hands for this, but I'm using another hand to record this video. I'm installing everything back to the car in reverse order. This is a good time to remove plastic protection film now. Gently clip the mirror back to the clip sockets. That's it, job is done. Put the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed.